Do it again. I'm gonna try to do 2 twisted on each side to do that. It's gonna be dumb, but you know, I'm Kyle Storch. We do dumb shit. All the Storches do. Storch the torch, bitches. OG Firecracker. I won't even freaking doubt if this shit falls in the stack. Yep, it did. Oh shit. Haha, this shit was badass. Dumbasses. On 3, 4, 1. Shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit. This shit worked. Do not try this at home at all unless you're a dumbass like me. This shit shot out at me fucking like Matrix. Fucking one flown in my fucking truck, put me right in the face, fucking almost blew my face off.